Guys, if you want to check your account number and IFSC code in Paytm application, then there are two simple ways. And this video is definitely for you if you are looking for, account number or IFSC code. Now, the second step which I am going to guide you through is very simple one. So don't miss out this video at all. So open Paytm application first to check out your account number and IFSC code. You can just complete the login process by scanning your fingerprint. Once you open the application, all you have to do is you have to go in Paytm bank. I'm going to explain you the very first step. So select Paytm payment bank on the home page. After that, enter 4-digit passcode to access your account. Once you enter the passcode, guys, we are on the next page, and on next page you can check out your current balance. If you have any balance, it will be shown. Currently my balance is 0. Also, some account related details are over here on this page. Now to see the account number or IFSC code, all you have to do is you have to select settings option, which is on the right hand side top corner. After selecting settings option, we are on the next page, and here you can check out your ID like your UPI ID, your Paytm number. You have this QR code. Also, you can check out your number over here. Now below that you can see you have an option of account details. In that you can check out your account number as well as IFSC code. So guys, this is the first step by which you can simply check your account number and IFSC code in Paytm application. Now for the next step or for the second step, to check your account number or your IFSC code, you don't have to open Paytm application at all. The trick is very simple. Now see, the account number of your Paytm payment bank is your mobile number. The only thing which you have to add before your mobile number is 91. So your account number will be 91 plus your mobile number. That is your Paytm payment bank account number. So it is not hard to remember, right? Now what about IFSC code? Now see, Paytm payment bank is not a physical bank. It is an online bank, and it only has one IFSC code all over India. So the IFSC code is going to be same no matter from which area or from where you are activating the Paytm payment bank. The IFSC code will remain the same, which is PYTM 01234556. That's it. This is the only IFSC code Paytm payment bank has, and this IFSC code is of Noida, which will work all over India. So your account number is your mobile number, but you just have to add 91 before that. So 91 plus your mobile number is going to be your account number, and IFSC code is PYTM 01234556. So I think this is very helpful, and if you you can just remember this very easily. It won't be hard for you, and you don't have to open the application each and every time. So guys, these are the two simple steps by which you can simply access your account number and your IFSC code in Paytm payment bank in Paytm application. If you find this video helpful or informative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one, guys. Thank you.